Hello, in this video I want to show you how to configure TECNO Spark 10 for a senior person. And to do this, first let's open our settings, then we can scroll down and enter accessibility. It should be in the special functions right there. Here we have it. Now what you want to do is enter text and display, change the font size to the maximum possible size, which is large, and it will make the text a bit larger. Then we can remove animations, which reduces motion sickness while using this device. And there's also option to enable high contrast text, which makes the text more readable when it's grayed out, just like that. Then we have magnification. And if you decide to enable it, you'll get this shortcut right here. You can click on it anytime, and that will magnify your screen to read the text better. Click on it again to leave that mode. And there's not many options here to customize this phone for a senior person. And one last thing we can find is in the desktop. So click and hold your finger over the text, over the home screen, and enter desktop settings. Inside we can change the text color and pick whichever color you like and which makes it more visible. We can change the text desktop grid to 5/6 to fit more icons, or lower it. And that is basically all of the settings I recommend to change. Others wouldn't make a much difference. But anyway, I wouldn't recommend this phone for the senior person. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.